Quick question. Suppose you are going to an interview and the interviewer asked you about the percentage that you are having during the MBA. Suppose you are having 95 percentage and the grade that you are falling into is A plus. What will you be telling him? Will you tell him the percentage or will you tell him the grade? Let me tell you what I will do. I will tell him the grade and not the percentage. Why so? Because there might be some candidates who are having greater percentage than 95, but there might not be any candidate who is having a better grade than A plus. Correct? Same thing goes with the business world as well. How? Have you ever heard the word EBITDA? You might have. If you are watching Shark Tank or any other business show which is going on the TV, even on YouTube, you might have came across with this particular word, that is EBITDA, right? So let's firstly understand what EBITDA is. EBITDA, what's the full form? Earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization. So actually, whenever someone asks you the EBITDA of your business, you will be telling that person the earnings that you have done before deducting the interest that you will be paying to your creditors, tax that you will be paying to your government, then depreciation that you will be charging on tangible assets like machinery and building, and the last one, that is amortization. It is nothing but a kind of depreciation that you'll be charging on intangible assets. So we cannot charge depreciation on intangible assets. That's why we write them off, and this write off is nothing but amortization. So this is nothing, EBITDA is nothing, but it's actually a gross benchmark or gross figure that you are reporting to your investors in order to sometimes hide your losses. And most of the times, in case of Zomato, the startups like Zomato, you will get to see that these startups are EBITDA positive, but they are into loss. So they are projecting like they are having a positive EBITDA, but actually they are in loss. So would you go for an EBITDA to understand the fundamentals of a company? It's not that relatable in case of large stocks, large cap stocks or well established companies, but it is very relatable in case of startups. Why so? Because most of the startups are burning money, and in order to understand whether we should go for an investment in that particular startup, you need to understand whether they are EBITDA positive or not. Thank you so much for your patient listening. I hope you got to know something new. Thank you.